Looking for the best dual-channel digital oscilloscope? Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, having the right tool for waveform analysis is essential. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best dual-channel digital oscilloscopes, analyzing their pros and cons so you can make the best choice. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Ooltop ET120 dual-channel digital oscilloscope. The Ooltop ET120 dual-channel digital oscilloscope stands out as a compact and versatile tool for electronics professionals and hobbyists alike. Offering a range of features designed to streamline waveform analysis, it has gained attention for its ease of use and portability. This video is an analysis of its advantages and limitations. Pros: dual-channel capability. The Ooltop ET120 supports dual-channel functionality, allowing users to simultaneously monitor two signals. This is especially useful for comparing waveforms and performing more complex signal analysis. High sampling rate. With a 500 MSPS sampling rate, the oscilloscope ensures accurate waveform capture, making it suitable for analyzing high-speed signals with precision. User-friendly operation. The oscilloscope features a one-click auto mode, which automatically adapts the waveforms to the screen, eliminating the need for manual parameter adjustments. This feature is a great time saver and simplifies waveform analysis. Customizable settings. Users have the flexibility to adjust various waveform parameters such as time base, amplitude, and trigger slope. This customization provides greater control over signal analysis and measurement. Built-in lithium battery. Equipped with a rechargeable lithium battery, the ET120 offers portability and convenience for field use without needing constant access to power outlets. This feature enhances its mobility for technicians on the go. Compact and lightweight design. Weighing only 187 grams, the ET120 is extremely portable and easy to carry around. Its small form factor makes it ideal for those who require lightweight oscilloscope for mobile or on-site use. Durable and protective construction. The oscilloscope features silicone protective covers on both sides, which safeguard it from drops and impacts while also offering a comfortable grip. The non-slip design ensures that the device remains secure during handling. Cons: smaller display size. The 320x240 LCD display, although clear and accurate, is relatively small compared to other oscilloscopes in this class. This may make it harder to analyze detailed waveforms for some users. The Ooltop ET120 dual-channel digital oscilloscope is an excellent tool for those needing a portable, easy-to-use oscilloscope for basic waveform analysis. Its compact design, user-friendly features, and good display quality make it a great choice for technicians and hobbyists. Coming in at number 4, we have the Bside O2 dual-channel digital oscilloscope. The Bside O2 dual-channel digital oscilloscope is a versatile tool designed for precision and ease of use in electronic testing and analysis. With a blend of smart technology, user-friendly features, and high performance, it stands out in the market for hobbyists and professionals alike. However, as with any product, it comes with its own set of strengths and drawbacks. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of the Bside O2 oscilloscope without diving into its key features. Pros: user-friendly touchscreen interface. The full touchscreen functionality allows for easy navigation and operation. With just a tap, users can adjust the oscilloscope parameters, making it intuitive and convenient for both beginners and professionals. Portable and lightweight. Equipped with a built-in 18 mAh lithium battery, the Bside O2 ensures portability. Its lightweight makes it easy to carry, ideal for fieldwork or on-the-go testing. Fast response and high accuracy. Powered by smart chips, the oscilloscope delivers precise and fast measurements, ensuring that your testing remains accurate, even for complex signals. Signal generator capability. The oscilloscope comes with a signal generator function, offering 7 different waveform types. This added feature is especially useful for those who need to generate test signals while simultaneously analyzing them. Wide range of application. Thanks to its fast response, high accuracy, and large range, this oscilloscope is adaptable for a variety of electronic testing needs. It excels in capturing even the most intricate waveforms. Convenient PC connectivity. Through a simple USB connection, you can easily connect the oscilloscope to a PC. This enables secondary analysis, allowing for a deeper dive into the data and enhancing your analytical capabilities. Clear LCD panel. The LCD panel displays data in a clear and easy-to-read format. The intuitive menu interface ensures that even first-time users can quickly understand and utilize the device's functions. Cons. Limited battery life under heavy use. While the built-in lithium battery is convenient, the battery life may fall short when the oscilloscope is used intensively for long periods. Frequent recharging may be necessary during extended sessions. The Bside O2 dual-channel digital oscilloscope is a solid, affordable option for users looking for an easy-to-use oscilloscope with good performance for everyday applications. Its intuitive touchscreen, portable design, and ability to generate signal waveforms make it a great tool for both hobbyists and professionals. At number 3, the Fnirsi 2C23T dual-channel digital oscilloscope. The Fnirsi 2C23T dual-channel digital oscilloscope is a versatile and compact tool designed for professionals and hobbyists who need a reliable oscilloscope for various electrical measurements. With its combination of a built-in signal generator, extensive measurement capabilities, and protective features, it offers a broad range of testing functionalities. However, like any device, it has its advantages and drawbacks. Pros. Built-in function signal generator. One of the standout features of the Fnirsi 2C23T is the integrated 7-type DDS function signal generator. This feature allows users to adjust frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle with ease, making it an excellent choice for generating test signals without needing an additional device. Extensive measurement capabilities. The oscilloscope supports a wide range of measurements, including AC, DC voltage and current, capacitance, resistance, and diode testing. This versatility is beneficial for anyone needing to perform comprehensive testing across different electrical components and systems. Long standby time. With up to 6 hours of standby time, the Fnirsi 2C23T is a reliable tool for extended work sessions. This feature ensures that the oscilloscope is always ready to go when needed, without worrying about constantly recharging or running out of power during testing. High voltage protection. Equipped with a built-in high voltage protection module, this oscilloscope allows for the safe measurement of peak voltages up to 400 V. This safety feature ensures that users can test higher voltage systems without the risk of damaging the device or compromising safety. Clear waveform visualization. The high-resolution 2.8-inch LCD display with a 320x240 resolution provides clear and detailed waveform visualization. This ensures that users can accurately read and analyze signals, even when working with complex waveforms. Cons. Battery life on continuous use. While the standby time is impressive, the device's battery life during continuous use may not be as long, particularly if the signal generator and oscilloscope are both active. Frequent recharging could become a concern during intensive tasks. The Fnirsi 2C23T dual-channel digital oscilloscope is a feature-packed device that brings excellent measurement capabilities, safety features, and long standby time to the table. In the second spot, we have the Zoyi ZT-703S dual-channel digital oscilloscope. The Zoyi ZT-703S dual-channel digital oscilloscope is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. This portable oscilloscope delivers precise waveform analysis with a host of useful features to enhance your testing and debugging processes. In this video, we'll explore its strengths and areas where it could be improved. Pros. High-definition TFT color screen. One of the standout features of the Zoyi ZT-703S is its 3.5-inch TFT high-definition color screen. The vibrant display makes waveform readings incredibly clear and easy to interpret. This high-resolution screen is particularly beneficial when working with complex signals, as it provides a clear visual representation of the data, even under challenging lighting conditions. Dual-channel input. This oscilloscope is equipped with dual-channel inputs, allowing users to compare two signals simultaneously. With 2x50 MHz bandwidth, it enables more effective signal analysis. This feature is particularly useful for troubleshooting and diagnosing issues that require the comparison of multiple waveforms. Arbitrary waveform measurement. The Zoyi ZT-703S offers various waveform measurements to meet your daily needs, making it versatile for different applications. Whether you're measuring sine, square, or other waveforms, this oscilloscope can handle them all with ease, providing the precision you need for accurate testing. Persistence mode. Persistence mode is a valuable tool for capturing signals effectively. By allowing you to freeze waveforms on the screen, it helps in identifying and analyzing transient signals or abnormal waveforms that may otherwise be missed. This feature significantly aids in the diagnostic process, ensuring no waveform goes unnoticed. One-key auto adjustment. The one-key auto adjustment function simplifies operation by automatically setting up the oscilloscope for optimal waveform measurement. This eliminates the need for manual adjustments, saving time and ensuring accurate readings, especially for users who may not be experts in waveform analysis. Signal generator. The built-in signal generator provides a variety of frequency and waveform outputs, making it an excellent tool for generating signals for testing other equipment. This feature adds to the oscilloscope's versatility, allowing it to serve as both a signal analyzer and a generator. Waveform save and screenshot function. The ability to save waveforms and take screenshots is incredibly useful for further analysis. By holding down the save button for 2 seconds, users can store the current waveform and review it later. This function can be paired with a USB connection to transfer saved data to a computer, facilitating further analysis and documentation. Cons. Small screen size. Though the 3.5-inch TFT display is clear and vibrant, some users may find it a bit small for viewing detailed waveforms, especially when working with complex signals. A larger screen could offer more comfortable viewing, particularly when analyzing multiple waveforms at once. The Zoyi ZT-703S dual-channel digital oscilloscope is an impressive tool for those looking for precision, ease of use, and versatility in waveform analysis. While its bandwidth and screen size may not meet the demands of advanced professionals, it offers excellent value for everyday users and is packed with features that make it an ideal choice for general testing and debugging tasks. And finally, at number 1, we have the Meterk D12 dual-channel digital oscilloscope. The Meterk D12 dual-channel digital oscilloscope is a versatile and compact tool designed to cater to both professionals and hobbyists in electronics and signal testing. With its multifunctional capabilities, it integrates a digital oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator into one device. We will take a closer look at the pros and cons of this device. Pros. Versatile 3-in-1 functionality. One of the standout features of the Meterk D12 is its ability to combine 3 essential testing tools in one compact device: a digital oscilloscope, a multimeter, and a signal generator. This reduces the need for multiple devices, making it ideal for space-constrained workbenches and offering an all-in-one solution for signal analysis and testing. Clear IPS display. The oscilloscope comes equipped with a 3.2-inch high-definition IPS display, providing clear visibility of waveforms and readings. This feature ensures high sensitivity and clarity in various lighting conditions, enhancing the ease of use during measurements and tests. Built-in signal generator. The inclusion of a built-in signal generator makes the Meterk D12 an even more valuable tool. Capable of generating multiple waveform types, sine, square, triangle, with adjustable amplitude and frequency settings, this feature allows for comprehensive testing and signal simulation, adding great flexibility for testing circuits and components. High-precision multimeter. The integrated true RMS multimeter allows for highly accurate measurement of voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, diode, and continuity. With the ability to calibrate quickly via software, this multimeter ensures precision when measuring various electrical parameters, making it suitable for a range of applications. Dual channel for advanced analysis. The dual channel functionality enables users to display and compare 2 different signal waveforms simultaneously. This feature is invaluable when working with complex circuits or when you need to analyze multiple signals side by side. Cons. Sampling rate limitations. With a real-time sampling rate of 250 ms/s, the oscilloscope may not perform as well as higher-end models with faster sampling rates, especially for more complex signal analysis that requires rapid signal capture and higher resolution. The Meterk D12 dual-channel digital oscilloscope stands out as a multifunctional, compact, and affordable option for those who need a device that combines an oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator.